Hello, I'm Ken, the chef for Saval Food Service, and today we are going to talk about a Saval family recipe meatloaf. It comes fully seasoned and cooked, frozen in a case of 4 individual 5-pound pieces. It can be served traditionally hot over mashed potatoes with gravy and a vegetable, or as an ingredient in less traditional ways. This month we used it as a pizza topping and a crispy protein in a 2-potato skillet hash. Today we are making a southern-style grilled cheese with seared meatloaf, bacon, caramelized onions, and apple butter. We simply start with apple butter, then we layer provolone cheese, crispy meatloaf, caramelized onions, and bacon. Cooked on griddle top at 325 degrees until golden brown and cheese is melted. Cut in half and serve with your favorite side.